Thank you, Emily, for your gift.
What is it?
A slime kit. Glow in the dark slime.
Is it the first step?
No, I want to do glow in the dark slime, that's why. Just did it right now. We'll need this above and we will need to remove these. Whoopsies. Yeah. Well, which was I was doing? Where is it? We need. Wait, why do I have yellow food?
What is that?
A dropper. I don't know how to say it. I forgot. So, how do I open it? We forgot to keep this thing, and that's for my brother for his experience thing. Let's set them up now. Oh, where is the glue? Oh, thank God. Otherwise, I actually have been. He is ready. Done?
Okay, so what you should do is put here again and then squeeze again. Put here again, squeeze again.
I did that. When is it coming out? That's it. Slime activator. So it is time for slime. I forgot to put on my gloves.
Sit down.
Yeah. Okay, let's start stucking it now. This. Can you open it? Whoa. Is this much fine?
How much is this?
Teaspoon.
1.5.
Yeah.
So I think we should put some little more.
Oh. Video slime. Okay. Now the next step is this.
Like images.
Slime activator.
Okay, how much?
Where is 15 to 30 drops? What does that mean?
Okay, then, yeah.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm making another drop. How many drops do I need to put? As many as I want. As long as it's coming out. This is a food color, you know that. It can be used anywhere. Okay, I think that's enough. Did we eat that? No.
Yeah,
It's poisonous.
mixing. Slime activator. More. Yes, done.
Now, so
Slowly. You should take a lot of time. 7 minutes. Stop. Don't non-stop stirring. What?
Slime fail. And it's too sticky. Remove it from my hand. We're still making.
We try it again. I don't know whether we will succeed it or not.
And that one.
Hopefully this one will come out well.
This. Yeah, hopefully.
It's coming.
No. Yes. It's successfully coming out. It's so hard.
Wow.
Mine is more. See, look.
Wow.
Oh, this one is also coming. Should I mix it with my hand now?
Yeah, you can mix it with your hand.
Can now?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't want to touch it for real. Fine. To do it. Ew, I don't want to touch it. The stickiest slime in the whole world. Ew.
Try to mix it everything.
I can't.
Yeah, like Juhu, see? So mix like this until it becomes smooth and
here.
Perfectly slimy. Yeah.
It's pushing
Successfully coming out.
I'm saying success. I don't want to touch it. The successfully slime. Ew. I want to become a spider webs. Ew. I don't pin. It's like no pin. Mine's is more like no pin.
You.
Ew. I don't think I'm playing with it. I'm playing with no pin. It's successfully coming out as I mix it. Can I have?
So is it coming yours?
Yeah. No.
Oh.
It's turning to rubber.
Let me see, pizza. Rồi, cái đó nhìn tới bố mẹ.
Mine is successfully coming. Not really, but yeah.
The pin.
Pink the pin.
Paano kinari din sini siya? Nang kinagundoy ba na?
Put my hand.
It's okay, mix it, it's fine.
No, I don't want to mix. This color is so nice.
Supposo.
My experiment will be so You take this one, the leftovers. Can I have? Yeah, the leftovers.
Do one thing. Sipon collect it with yours.
Yeah. Otherwise mine is not going to
Mix
work.
it, yeah.
It's so hard to collect. At least he's there to collect. Looks like
What?
yours doesn't.
Sipoy ko, zolay wa zo tere.
Yours looks like Batya. No.
But
Mine doesn't look like Batya. Let me show you how it looks like. Does it look like Batya? And slime on it. Hey!
So is it coming now? Better?
No.
Keep on look. Look what in it.
But get ready to clean these tables. I messed up the table and I can't wait to see my father clean the table up. And it's already messed up. Look. Look here. Mine's a fly.